Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We got Nantucket Summer. Oh, that's where I want to be, Nantucket. It wouldn't be as hot maybe. No, I like the heat. Okay, look at these beautiful blues and greens. This is by Camille Kelly of the former Bonnie and Camille. Camille is now doing her own thing along with Moda still. We have all the pre-cuts. We got the honey buns, we got the charms, the layer cakes, the backorder bundles, and we've had this pattern for a while. Mom is going to actually make a little segment of it, but this uses Nantucket Summer, so you can see how pretty it is. I mean, it was clear. It was already evident, but now you can see it in the pattern. Okay, we got set L for you cross stitchers. Pardon our cords. It's dehumidifier season here in the quilt shop. We got set L, all things baking, which is super fun. We are canning peaches.
Is that her?
Well, today, tomorrow, but today for you right now. And let's zoom to the holiday room. We got seasonal, we got Christmas, we got fall, and we have Halloween. Man, we got them all, people. All right, this is by Lewis and Irene, and it's Gingerbread season. How fun are those colors? They're just nice and muted and soft. And who doesn't love good gingerbread man? And then this is Sweet and Spookier. No. Sweeter and Spooky. No. We have too many that are called Spooky right now. It's AGF and it's Sweet and Spookier. I was right the first time. Oh, and he didn't even correct me. Okay. And then, now I'll have you know, we did not order the panel. The girls did it with the line. But it came with a panel. There's like several things on here. There's the little guys, and then there's a little banner. Then there's the big parts of the panel. A few of them are already sold to the staff lady, so if you want one, you better get on that train. Then just a couple here from Harvest Gold. We got the dark and the light version from Wilmington to go with all your autumn harvesty needs. That's all. But Mama Bear and I are on the show this Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on the app, on Facebook, on Comment Soul. Pick your poison and join us. Okay, happy quilting. Bye.